Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a webinar funnel using GoHighLevel. Whether you're new to funnel building or looking to streamline your process, this step-by-step guide will help you set up a webinar funnel with ease. Let's get started. Creating a webinar funnel in GoHighLevel is straightforward. Begin by selecting the Sites option from the left-hand menu of your interface. Next, click the New Funnel button at the top left corner and choose a template from the options available. Once you've selected your desired template, click the Continue button to move forward. The template library will now open, displaying various options. To find webinar-specific templates, type Webinar into the search bar and press Enter. You will see all the webinar templates available. Now select any webinar template, click on it, and again, click on Continue option. Typically, these templates include two pages, a home page and a thank you page. Now it's time to edit your template. The editing process in GoHighLevel is very user-friendly. When you click on any element, such as a logo, social media icon, or text, you'll see the editing options appear on the right-hand side. Here you can control the appearance and behavior of each item. For instance, if you click on the logo, a panel will open on the right side with options to edit the image. You can adjust the alignment, add a link, change the width, and control the image's action. Similarly, you can edit the social media icons. You'll have options like alignment, image settings, width, and actions, where you can select Go to Website URL and input the URL of your social media account. Now, let's look at buttons. For example, if you have a button with the caption Speakers and want it to scroll down to the speaker section when clicked, select the button, go to the action settings, choose Scroll to Element, and link it to the speaker section. You can also adjust the start time of the webinar by editing the end date. Notice that once you set the end date, the countdown will automatically begin. Continue scrolling down and editing other elements as needed. Since this webinar funnel contains two pages, you can switch to the Thank You page by clicking the drop-down at the top center of the screen and selecting the Thank You page. Remember to save your changes before moving on. You can edit the Thank You page in the same way, simply by clicking on each element and making the necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully created a webinar funnel in GoHighLevel. With just a few clicks and some customization, your funnel is ready to go live. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.